Every day we carry a phone with an active microphone in our pocket. And technically, it always has the ability to hear what's happening around us. Most of the time, that's completely fine. But sometimes, a phone starts doing more than it should. In this video, I'll show you real signs that your phone might be listening, and how you can check this yourself, and what to do if you want real certainty that your conversations stay private. This is not a conspiracy video. Modern and smartphones simply cannot function without a microphone. You can't truly turn it off without breaking the core features of the phone, and that means it's malicious software, spyware, or misused app gets access. The microphone can be activated in ways you didn't intend. The most common sign is sudden battery drain. If your phone is, say, relatively new and suddenly starts losing battery much faster than usual, well, that may be because something is running constantly in the background, recording, processing, or transmitting data. Clicks, static, echoes, or unusual background noise during calls don't automatically mean someone is listening, but if this happens frequently and without a clear reason, it is something you shouldn't ignore. Open your app list and ask yourself one simple question. Did I actually install this? Spyware often hides behind innocent-looking apps. Your flashlight, your calculator, system tools. You see, if your mobile data usage suddenly spikes without any change in how you use your phone, it may indicate that data is being sent somewhere else in the background. Frequent freezes, overheating, random restarts. These can be signs that something is running constantly behind the scenes. Microphone or camera indicator appears without reason. There's one more simple but important thing to watch for. On iPhone, an orange dot means that the microphone is in use. A green dot means the camera is active. On Android, you'll see a green indicator when the microphone or camera is being used. If you see these indicators appear when you're not on a call, not recording, and not using an app that needs them, that's a clear signal to check what is accessing your microphone. One sign alone doesn't prove anything, but when it's several of these signs appear together, it's time to take the situation very seriously. There's one basic step everyone should take. Check microphone permissions. Remove suspicious apps. Update your system. In extreme cases, perform a factory reset. But there is a limitation. The core problem with software-only protection. All software solutions rely on trust. As long as the microphone is physically active, you can never be 100% sure it's not being used. And that's where a different approach becomes necessary. But there is a solution. Guardian Ultrasonic. Guardian Ultrasonic solves that at a physical level. It does not block your signal. It does not disable your phone. It does not interfere with calls, messages, or notifications. It does one thing. It prevents the microphone from being able to hear. Let me show you what happens when you place your phone on the Guardian. When your phone is placed on the Guardian Ultrasonic, acoustic waves interfere with the microphone's ability to capture sound. Even if an app or malicious code tries to activate the mic, there is simply nothing usable to record. This is not a software promise. It's a physical limitation. Guardian has no Wi-Fi, it has no Bluetooth, it has no internet connection, no remote updates. There is nothing to hack remotely. Nothing to bypass with software. Ultrasonic waves must hit the microphone directly. If the phone is used in your pocket or facing away, those claims simply don't hold up physically. Guardian requires no setup, no configuration, no habits to remember. Guardian Ultrasonic isn't for everyone. But when a conversation matters, it's better to know and not hope that no one is listening. You see, sometimes peace of mind isn't a setting. It's a physical guarantee.